Okay, so you've connected your PC to your TV, but the sound's all wrong. Let's fix that. You've got this amazing, huge picture, but the sound is still stuck on your little laptop speakers. So what's going on? Well, we just have to tell Windows where you want the audio to go. First up, let's get to the control panel. The quickest way is to just right-click the start icon. Once you're in, look for hardware and sound. All your audio settings are hiding in there.
Inside that menu, go ahead and click on Sound. This will pop open all your playback options.
See that little green check mark? That's showing you your PC speakers are the default right now. Now just find your TV in that list. It'll probably have its brand name there. Go ahead and click it. And here's the most important step. Hit that Set Default button in the bottom corner. And boom! The green check moves, and the sound should now be coming right from your TV. And get this, when you unplug the HDMI, the sound automatically pops right back to your PC. Pretty cool. But wait, what if your TV isn't even showing up in the menu? Let's troubleshoot that real quick. First, just make sure that HDMI cable is plugged in snug on both ends. That's a common one. See, at the end of the day, all you're really doing is just redirecting the audio yourself.